وقال الله تعالى أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم من أجل ذلك كتبنا على بني إسرائيل أنه من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا ولقد جاءتهم رسلنا بالبينات ثم إن كثيرا منهم بعد ذلك في الأرض لمسرفون. Distinguished guests, respected directors, sir, honorable teachers, and my dear friends, I am Huzaifa from class 7 is going to deliver a speech on the topic of Islam, a religion of peace. I hope you will listen my speech carefully and appreciate me. Islam is a religion of peace in the fullest sense of the word. The Quran calls its way the path of peace. It states the God averts any disturbance of peace. It states the God averts any disturbance of peace. In fact, the root word of Islam is sin, which itself means peace. So the spirit of Islam is the spirit of peace. The first verse of the Quran reads the spirit of peace. It reads, in the name of God, the most merciful, the most compassionate. This verse is repeated in the Quran no less than 113 times. It shows the great importance Islam attached to such value as mercy and compassion. A parallel of the Quran shows that most verses of the Quran and also the Hadith are based on peace and kindness either directly or indirectly. The ideal society according to Quran is Dar as-Salam, that is the house of peace. Islam attaches great importance to peace. In fact, Islam cannot afford not to be in a state of peace because all that Islam aims at is spiritual progress, intellectual development, character building, social reform, educational activities, and above all, missionary work can be achieved only in an atmosphere of peace and harmony. According to Islam, peace is not simply an absence of war. Peace opens door to all kinds of opportunities that are present in any given situation. It is only in a peaceful situation that planned activity are possible. It is for this reason that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may peace be upon him, went to great extents to establish peace at all cost. Thanks for listening my speech carefully and appreciate me. Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum.